On today's Ask the Expert, we ask, does nutrition play a role in the prevention of heart disease? We have an expert on the set, Mary Boudreau. She's an APRN and the Director of Cardiac Rehabilitation at Norwalk Hospital. Well, we know nutrition plays a role in heart disease. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Sure. When we talk about nutrition in general, we want to have a nice balanced diet that is primarily plant-based, so you want to concentrate on eating fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, avocados even, good fats we talk about. You want to stay away from things that actually can create more cholesterol production in our body.
Well, what do you do for the main portions? You always think of meat or fish. You usually think of meat or fish or a big heaping pasta as the center of the dish. In a plant-based diet, what's sitting in the center of the dish?
The most would be the vegetables, really, if you're having a meal. And then for your carbohydrates, if you want to say, you would want to have something that is, you want to stay away from flour, white bleach flours. And so when you're choosing your carbohydrates, for instance, you want whole grains, and then you want to include nuts and beans.
And how about the protein part of your diet?
You could include lean proteins. Fish is an excellent choice, especially the fattier fishes. If you're going to have poultry, you want to go with the white meat as opposed to the dark, because that would have less fat. If you enjoy red meat, then really try to keep it to once a week, and lean cuts.
Yeah.
So
some of the filet mignon is a lean cut of meat, so
yes.
It's not necessarily taking the worst cut of meat.
No, it's delicious.
But,
so,
but some of the marbled meats.
Yes, so anything that you can actually have visible fat, it would be something you want to stay away from. So visible fat is
marble usually means good, and it usually to taste,
and
probably not good, good to eat. So it's very wise, and we have to move in that direction. The Mediterranean diet is just
Mediterranean is that kind of plant-based diet. What kinds of things that we're talking about.
That's all we have time for, but that's really helpful information. It's really hard, I think, for some of us who were born raising meat, born eating meat, born and raised eating meat.
Yes.
But I think it's important. And we're seeing heart disease fall, so we're making progress. So remember to share your questions and comments by calling us at Community Relations. That's at New Vance Health at 203-852-2250. We'll see you next time.